Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and tutorials. Today, we're diving into the must-have upgrade for your Macbook Retina 13 A1706 A1708 A1989 A2159 A2251 A2289 A1932 A2179 A2337 A2338 A1466, the new laptop LCD screen display assembly. This high-quality display assembly is the perfect solution for anyone looking to replace their worn-out or damaged screen. Before you make your purchase, it's important to double-check your model and screen size to ensure you're getting the correct assembly. Trust me, you don't want to end up with the wrong part. And if you are not confident in replacing the assembly yourself, we highly recommend opting for the full assembly rather than just the LCD panel. But here's the best part: if you decide to take on the replacement yourself, we've got you covered with the necessary tools. That's right, we'll include everything you need to get the job done right. And if you still need a bit of guidance, there are plenty of tutorials available online to walk you through the process. And of course, our customer service team is always here to help if you have any questions. So, why wait any longer? Upgrade your Macbook Retina 13 with the new laptop LCD screen display assembly today. Click the link in the description to get yours now. And as always, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more exciting tech content.